If you're buying a new build home, there's something most buyers don't realise, and it could save you thousands. Most developers offer incentives to help you buy. That could be £10,000, £15,000, even £18,000 or more. The question is, are you actually feeling that incentive in your monthly payments? Because if you don't structure it the right way, that money can quietly disappear into the transaction as upgrades, furniture packs, or a one-off contribution that you barely even notice. Own New changes that. So with two products, the Own New Rate Reducer and Own New Flex, you can make sure that incentive genuinely works for you from day one. So let's start with the Own New Rate Reducer. If your developer is offering a 5% incentive, Own New Rate Reducer is designed for you. It takes every penny of that builder incentive and uses it to reduce your mortgage interest rate during your initial mortgage term. Lower rate, lower monthly payments from day one. And here's what makes it different. You always get the full benefit of that incentive one way or another. Most of it works through a reduced rate, which means lower interest over the initial term. And if there's anything left over because the interest saving doesn't quite reach the full incentive amount, you'll receive that as cashback shortly after completion. So if your builder is giving you an £18,000 incentive, you benefit by £18,000. Not up to, not potentially, exactly that, split between rate reduction and, if needed, a cashback top-up. So imagine you're buying a new build home with an £18,000 developer incentive. On a standard new build mortgage at, say, 4.44%, you might pay around £28,000 in interest over the first 2 years. And that's just interest, by the way. That's not even the loan itself. With Own New Rate Reducer, that £18,000 incentive is used to cut your rate during that initial period. So instead of 4.44%, your rate could reduce to, wait for it, around 1.65%. Your total interest over those 2 years drops from £28,000 to around £10,000, an interest saving of £15,000. And the remaining £3,000 comes back to you as cashback after completion. So that's the full £18,000 working for you, every single pound of it. And on a £300,000 purchase at 95% loan to value, that kind of rate reduction could mean hundreds of pounds less per month during those early years, right when you're furnishing a new home, covering moving costs and adjusting to new bills. Let's come now on to Own New Flex. So what if your developer is only offering a 3% incentive? That's where Own New Flex comes in. Own New Flex works the same way. Your incentive reduces your mortgage rate during your initial term and you still get the full benefit, but it's designed specifically for 3% incentives. And here's what makes it particularly powerful. Flex can be paired with other incentives your builder is offering. So if your developer is giving you 3% through Own New Flex and also offering a furniture pack, a deposit contribution, or help towards your stamp duty, you can stack those benefits on top of each other. And that's often the part that really resonates with buyers. Stamp duty can be one of the biggest upfront costs when you're moving home. So being able to reduce your monthly payments and potentially get support with your stamp duty at the same time can make a real difference to your overall budget. Smaller deposits and flats. Both products work for buyers who don't have a large deposit. You could potentially buy with just a 5% deposit or at 95% loan to value. That's the same thing. And that includes flats up to 12 stories high, which can sometimes be so much harder to get a mortgage through standard lending criteria. So whether you're buying with a smaller deposit or looking at a higher rise flat, Own New may open doors that traditional routes sometimes don't. Affordability is everything when lenders assess you for a mortgage. Lower monthly payments during that initial term can mean passing affordability checks more comfortably, less financial stress in those early months, and more confidence saying yes to your new home. And beyond the numbers, it just feels better knowing your builder incentive is genuinely working for you, not quietly disappearing into the transaction. The key takeaway, if you're buying a new build and you're being offered an incentive, ask yourself this: Are you actually feeling that incentive in your monthly payments? With Own New Rate Reducer, if your builder offers a 5% incentive, every pound reduces your rate and payments, with any remainder paid back as cashback. With Own New Flex, if your builder offers you 3%, you still get the full benefit and you can stack it with other incentives your builder is offering. Buying a home should feel exciting, not financially overwhelming. Sometimes it's just about structuring things the right way from the very start. To find out how Own New could work for your purchase, speak to your mortgage broker or visit ownnew.co.uk. Thank you for watching this special lender episode of On the Ladder, and if you have any further questions on this product, use the comments and we will get straight back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.